Trying to flex here. Disable it, then leave.
Oh my god! That dog is gonna die in that car! Where's the owner? No worries. It's a Tesla, so I have the ability to access climate from anywhere with this app. Okay, so like, turn it on now! The app can also unlock the car, open the front or trunk, flash the lights, honk the horn, show its location, and there's this thing called summon. Like, come on already! The temperature right now is super hot! Oh, alright. See? Everything's fine. Woo! Hey Jessica! I like totally saved a life today. Yes!
Before I was interrupted, another feature in the app is Summon. You can move your Tesla with your Now, they can flex with you in your shadow.